Kingdom and fulfill your dreams.
Hello everyone, I'm Puspal Aishram. Currently I'm working as a flight attendant with Air India. This would be my third company within aviation industry. I used to fly as a flight attendant with Jet Airways, and for a very short period of time I got a chance to work with Oman Air too. This would be my 7th year in aviation industry as a flight attendant. The most important thing is that I used to dream of becoming a flight attendant. It looks so professional and elegant. It was my greatest passion. Like you all, I started searching for the right person who may help me with my dreams to make it happen in reality. That's the time I met the director of Kingdom Aviation Institute, Sir Naubi Loitongbang. He helped me achieve my goal of making a place for myself in reputed companies. So ladies and gentlemen, if you really wish to fly as a cabin crew or flight attendant, please join Kingdom Aviation Institute. Do not miss this opportunity. Give wings to your dream and fly high.
Kingdom and fulfill your dreams. Do you want to fly like an eagle, exploring the world without boundaries and limitations, yet full of worries and doubts? A ray of hope still exists to work as a flight attendant. A big yes to make your dream come true? It is none other than the only institute, Kingdom Aviation Institute. The institute has distinctive key features: interview techniques, personality development, spoken English, Hindi, computer education, airport visit, grooming, dental checkup, skincare, hospitality management, lowest fee structure, and many more. Kingdom and fulfill your dreams.